EMCOMM IC208 in an ammo can using a polyphaser ISNEMP with multiple adapters to handle any kind of coax. 5/8 wave whip antenna, and I have extra battery clips, car adapters running off of a gel cell, mag mount at the top with the BNC. Microphone is in the back, and this is a Masters DRA36 adapter. This is just a quick homebrew Go kit, all in one suite. PowerX power supply, so if you have AC power, you can run it straight from power supply. All right, that's the project of the day. Ammo kit Winlink. Aloha.